Are you looking to invest in real estate but not sure where to start? The Brrrr method might be the perfect strategy for you. Brrrr stands for buy, rehab, rent, refinance, and repeat. It's a proven method for building wealth through real estate investments. First, you buy a property below market value. This is crucial for maximizing your potential profits. Next, you rehab the property to increase its value. This could involve renovations, repairs, or upgrades. Once the property is ready, you rent it out to generate passive income. This will help cover your expenses and increase your cash flow. After the property is rented, you refinance to pull out equity. This allows you to use that money for your next investment. And finally, you repeat the process with another property. The more you repeat the Brrrr method, the more wealth you can build. The Brrrr method is a proven strategy for real estate investors looking to grow their portfolio and increase their wealth. So, if you're ready to take your real estate investing to the next level, consider using the Brrrr method. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more real estate tips and strategies.